Hello kids, how are you all? I'm really happy to address you today with a beautiful story of Gulliver. The name of the story is Gulliver's Travels. Yes, it is a book which you can see, right? It is, the name goes Gulliver's Travels. Yes. Do you all like to travel? छुट्टियों में हम सब घूमने जाते हैं. You travel to your aunts, uncles, grandparents, right? So how do you travel? हम कैसे travel करते हैं? हम कैसे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते हैं? Yes, we go by bus, we go by trains, we go by how? We go by aeroplanes also and we go by ships also. जहाँ पर sea है, oceans हैं, समुद्र है, वहाँ पर हम कहाँ जाते हैं? We travel by ships. So this person, Gulliver, was very fond of traveling. उसे travel करना बहुत पसंद था और सबसे ज़्यादा उसे ships पे जाना बहुत पसंद था. So once a man named Gulliver was stuck in a shipwreck. Gulliver was the name of this person and he went on a ship to another land. Can you see? This is a ship. और समुद्र में बहुत बार storms आते हैं, तूफान आते हैं, इसीलिए ships wreck हो जाते हैं, मतलब टूट जाते हैं. So ship means ship का टूट जाना, right? So Gulliver was very fond of traveling and he went to another land on a ship. Then what happened? He went to another land. Ship टूटने के बाद वो बेहोश हो गया और उसके सारे crew members यहाँ वहाँ गुम गए पानी में. And when he opened his eyes, he found himself in the Lilliputians' land. He was tied down. Lilliputians were very small people. Can you see in this picture? Gulliver has been tied down. Gulliver को बांध दिया गया है और वो कहाँ पहुँच गया है? लिलीपुट नाम के एक गांव में, लिलीपुट नाम की एक जगह पर. Can you see there is a vast sea here? और कहीं पे भी उसका ship नहीं दिख रहा है. You can't see the ship because the ship had been wrecked. And Gulliver reached a land called Lilliput. And can you see these small people here? Can you see? Yes. So these are who? These are Lilliputians. ये सब लोग छोटे छोटे कौन हैं? लिलीपुट के लोग हैं. And they are called Lilliputians. Like we are Indians because we live in India. वैसे ही ये सब लोग कौन हैं? Lilliputians. So when Gulliver woke up, जब गुलिवर नींद से जागा तब वो कहाँ था? लिलीपुट में. And he was tied down. उसको रस्सियों से बांध दिया गया था. Can you imagine? Can you guess why was he tied down? उसको क्यों बांध दिया गया था? Yes, because वो बहुत बड़ा था. He was big in size. And Lilliputians were very small people. वो लोग सब छोटे छोटे थे, इसीलिए वो सब उससे डर गए और उन सब ने उनको गुलिवर को बांध दिया. Can you see how they are carrying things with ladder? उन्होंने लैडर भी लगा दिया. वो कितने छोटे छोटे हैं उसके सामने, है ना? So Gulliver reached to a land of Lilliputs. Then what happened? After some time, they came to know that Gulliver is harmless. Gulliver उन्हें कुछ नहीं करेगा. He is a good man. So these people became friends. ये सब लोग Lilliputians Gulliver के friends बन गए. And the small people welcomed Gulliver. The small people welcomed Gulliver. He even met with the emperor of that land. Yes, can you see here? We can see the emperor. Who is an emperor? Can you guess? Yes, he was the king of Lilliput. So Gulliver met with the emperor of Lilliput. Then Do you have neighbors? Yes, we all have neighbors. हमारे सबके आसपास पड़ोसी होते हैं, लेकिन कुछ लोगों से हमारा झगड़ा हो जाता है. आपका होता है आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ जो आपके घर के आसपास रहते हैं? So Lilliputians also had a neighbor with whom they fought. So Gulliver helped the Lilliputians. He fought with their neighbors. Look, can you see Gulliver? He is trying to stop the ships of the neighbors, and some of the people are throwing arrows on him. Can you see the arrows? Look, look. जो neighbors हैं वो उसको arrows से क्या कर रहे हैं? Attack कर रहे हैं. So Gulliver helped the Lilliputians. He fought with their neighbors. And क्या लगता है आपको? Gulliver जीत गया था? Actually neighbors डर गए. They were very fearful because Gulliver was very huge in size. Gulliver बहुत बड़ा था. And these neighbors fearfully took back. The next day, the two emperors settled the matters. और अगले दिन क्या हुआ? जो दूसरे neighborhood का जो emperor था, king था, can you see here? Yes, the neighboring emperors, they made peace with each other. दोनों emperors ने मिलके अपने अपने matters solve कर लिए. And they became friends due to Gulliver. Then Gulliver helped settle down their dispute. उनका झगड़ा खत्म हो गया Gulliver की वजह से. He sailed out to the neighboring land. और वो दूसरे पास की एक जगह में जाने के लिए उसने बोला कि अब मैं कहीं और जाना चाहता हूँ. So look, the emperor, the queen, the people, they are all baiting him, right? Gulliver is ready with his boats. Gulliver decided to go back to his country. हम लोग जब बाहर जाते हैं कहीं तो हमें घर की याद आती है, right? तो वैसे ही गुलिवर को भी अपने घर की याद आ रही थी. And he told the people of Lilliput and the neighboring land that he wants to go back to his country. वो अपने घर जाना चाहता है. So he bid goodbye to the Lilliputians. उसने लिलीपुट के लोगों को बोला goodbye. जैसे हम अपने फ्रेंड्स को, अपने अंकल आंट्स को बाय करके अपने घर आते हैं, वैसे ही Gulliver said goodbye to the Lilliput people. And can you see, his boat is also ready. लिलीपुट के लोगों ने Gulliver को एक बोट बना कर दिया. Now Gulliver set sail in a small boat. Soon he saw a big ship. Gulliver was traveling in a small boat. Can you see here? This was a small boat, and here he sees a big ship. Can you see here? The ship is too big. Ship is very big. It's just like a small town. So this ship saw Gulliver, and there are people on the ship also. Look, they saw Gulliver in the small boat. Then what happened? The crew of the ship welcomed Gulliver, and he sailed back home. जो शिप पे क्रू था उन्होंने गुलिवर को शिप पर ले लिया, उसकी हेल्प की, एंड गुलिवर सेल्ड बैक. वो शिप में बैठ के वापस अपने घर चला गया. ओके, सो दिस वाज द स्टोरी ऑफ गुलिवर. This was story of Gulliver, and we learnt how the storms can take us from one place to another. In ships we can go from one place to another, and how the Gulliver had adventure in Lilliput with the small people. So this was the story of Gulliver, and the name of the story was Gulliver's Travels. So have a good time till we meet next, and I will come back to see you again with a new story